amahlaya lapha abeve behle. It does not work like that. It does not work like that. This is Babu Dota. Ake ngikhulume lento la. Sidisiviwe. Ngangayenza le video ngiyiphinda futhi. Property owners are broke. Actually, they are broke. Uyazi le gama ithi broke nina nikwazi ukulipela. King Mswati in Swaziland, he's broke now. Once you got less than $1 billion, you are broke. As a king, you are broke. He is broke now. He does not have that. $1 billion is 18.5 billion in rand. He does not have that. Ngizama ukuveza lento kuba broke uthi yini. Manje wena uvesa ukuthi awona kwesibani that broke still. Most of the time abantu abaningi they assume ukuthi landlords are rich. Landlords are broke. They spend it all their monies. I repeat, landlords are broke because they took all their money and they built that infrastructure, hoping that tenants will pay fast so that they'll have their money back. Wonke ama-mall, very few malls are 99% full capacity of a tenant. There's always no tenants because they need a tenant. They even advertise they've got a space, who want to come. Ngifuna ukuveza wena ofuna ungena kwi-property. Into eyenzekayo ilena ithi ngicela ukuyiphinde wena ofuna ungena kwi-property. Into eyenzekayo ile ufika ufaka ama-tenant. Uma ufaka i-tenant, le tenant engenile izorenta u6 months. Ingena endlini kade ingenalutho. Irente 6 months imisi sithi siyaphuma. Imisi iphuma, ukuphuma kwayo kufuna upende. Upenda kwayo ufuna ulungise i-bathroom. Uqeda ukulungisa i-bathroom ulungise i-stove. Kunezinto lana uhlobo lama-light akade ulifake i-tenant wakhiphile ithe mahle lama-light yawacwiya yahamba nawo. Njalo wena kune-renovation ofuna uyenze mekuphuma i-tenant before ngene i-tenant. That alone, it eat out on your profit. It eat out on your profit. If you start to think about selling that house, ekade ine-tenant, a house, ekade ine-tenant for 3 years, location jana ama-tenant, you are looking at 250,000 in terms of renovation. When you are in Richards Bay, you got a house in Richards Bay, and now your homestead is in Bergville. You leave that 3-bedroom house in Richards Bay and go back to Bergville, stay at home, and you left umuntu lapha tenant lapha. Lo muntu afaka abanye abantu kwi-room ne-room afaka abanye abantu.